Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to try and get through this video without sneezing, coughing, hacking up a lung, or completely losing my voice because I am still trying to get over a cold, but I am going to be reviewing the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Finally, hopefully you guys can see this, but you guys have been asking me to do a review on Briogeo for a really long time, so I'm finally getting around to it. No, this video is not sponsored, but Briogeo, if y'all are watching, hit your girl up because I did really like this. I know it is like a protein treatment and it's actually not intended for natural hair. Based off what I read on their website, it actually is for like chemically treated and color treated hair. So to me, this is a protein treatment, but my hair loved it, okay? So I'll jump into all the details, but before I do, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Hey guys, so I finally got my hands on the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask from Briogeo. You guys have been asking for a Briogeo review for a while now, and this is what everything is looking like. I got it from Sephora during their VIB sale, and this is the viscosity. It's kind of soupy, a little soupier than the masks that I'm used to using. I would say it's kind of like a lotion consistency, maybe a little bit thicker than that. But as you saw, the first 5 ingredients are on the screen. Full ingredients list will be down below in the description box, and I actually like the consistency of this because I think it travels throughout your hair pretty well. This product is intended for those with dry, damaged, chemically treated and or lifeless hair, but it is also safe for color treated, keratin treated, chemically treated and relaxed hair. Now obviously from that description, natural hair won't nowhere on there, and so like why am I using this? And I know y'all also saw that glycerin was the second ingredient on the ingredients list, but I did still want to try it because typically if anything says it's for dry, damaged hair, I tend to go for it because I think it'll be very hydrating. This, however, I feel like was more of a protein treatment for my hair, but I think my hair might have needed it like a lot because it really made my curls pop, okay, like hard. And because glycerin is involved in a step where I can rinse it out of my hair, I do still use glycerin products, so it is okay because once again, I will be rinsing this out. I'm not gonna leave it in as a styler. And if you guys are new to my channel, then I'll let you know also that I am not color treated or chemically treated in any way. This product is a vegan. It has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, phthalates, parabens, DEA, or artificial dyes. And the directions state that you can put this on your hair either once a week or once every other week, but you're supposed to massage it in until it's evenly distributed, leave it on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. But for deeper penetration, you can sit under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap for 30 minutes. I did start off on freshly washed hair during this wash day, and as the directions indicated, I did sit under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes, but you guys know I like to leave my deep conditioners in overnight, and I did not have time this wash day to do that, but I did still leave it in my hair for like 6 hours while I was running around doing errands and everything else. If you are low porosity, I highly recommend sitting under a hooded dryer because in my experience at first I felt like the product was sitting on top of my hair, and while I was detangling, I did feel like I was brushing some of it off, which is why you guys see me apply some, brush through my hair, and then apply some more. But I do think it was still penetrating. It just wasn't going as fast as I normally like it to go. So for me, this ended up being more of a protein treatment like I had mentioned, and I did feel like my hair was stronger when I rinsed it out. Like, I don't know what it was, but my curls were popping. Y'all can see, okay, popping. As far as slip is concerned, I don't think that there was a lot of slip with this product. I've gotten more slip with other deep conditioners, but again, it does not claim to have a lot of slip, nor does it claim for you to detangle your hair with this deep conditioner in. This is just what I like to do and how I apply my products in my regular wash day. But I do think because I pre-pooed and detangled prior to, things still were relatively easy to get through. And once again, because this acted more like a protein treatment in my hair, I think that it made my curls pop and like just revived all of the structure, structure, okay? I didn't even realize that maybe there was some structure missing until I rinsed it out and the curls popped like extra hard. So this is what my hair is looking like, all twisted up. And as you can see, once again, it still kind of looks like it's sitting on top, but after I deep conditioned underneath the hooded dryer and added heat, it helped a lot to sink in. I also wanted to mention the fragrance. I think it's like a sweet honey nut, slightly perfumey smell. I like it. I can't exactly describe it, but it did linger in my hair a little bit afterwards, but it's a very light fragrance. And then once I got through styling with my styling products, I couldn't really smell it at all, but I do still find it pleasant. Y'all know I put on plastic grocery bags. I repurposed those and used them to deep condition. And this is what my hair is looking like after the 6 hours and the 30 minutes under a hooded dryer. And to me, I don't know if it's coming through on screen, but my curls are popping. Like, I didn't even realize, I just wasn't expecting this. I think it definitely rebuilt the structure in my hair, but also my hair was still really soft and moisturized, so I highly recommend this. It just worked way better than I was expecting it to, but Briogeo is some good stuff. Highly recommend. So as you guys saw in the demo portion, like, I don't know exactly what ingredient it was that was in here that made my curls pop, but I guess I just needed a protein treatment. I'm not even sure because I feel like I used balanced conditioners most of the time, so it's nothing that's gonna upset my protein moisture balance. But y'all saw my curls were popping after this, and it's really surprised me. I don't know if I expected it to work as well as it did. The only downside, and the only downside from me, is that I used like half of the jar, half of the container. It's gone. So this wouldn't last me very long. I mean, I do have a lot of hair and it is long, so to me it's like, this is great. I would just need it in a much bigger size. So like I said, Briogeo, if y'all watching, hit your girl up because this worked better than I expected. I also know that they do have like a hydrating line, so maybe I'll hit up one of those other hair masks later because I know they make one specifically for like curly hair or for like hydration, you know what I mean? But highly recommend this. I know it's pricey. Links will be down below in the description box if you're interested. I know I got this again on the Sephora VIB sale, so that's where I got mine, and it was like 15% off. But highly recommend, you guys, and thoroughly surprised, to be honest with you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted, like an afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.